Here's your story rewritten in smooth, engaging English as a complete narrative. Title: A Global Community of Support. In every country, countless people face financial struggles, job challenges, and personal difficulties. Life can be tough, and sometimes it feels like we are alone on our journey. But what if we could change that? I had an idea. What if we all came together to form a community, a global network where we support each other through YouTube? This wouldn't require money, just a willingness to help, share, and grow together. In this community, everyone, no matter where they come from, can support one another. We could subscribe to each other's channels, share videos, leave positive comments, and spread the word among friends and local communities. By helping each other, we can increase visibility, grow our channels, and create a space full of encouragement and learning. The beauty of this idea is that it is simple yet powerful. Together, we can build something bigger than ourselves, a network where support and collaboration replace competition, and where kindness and encouragement drive everything we do. I truly believe this initiative can make a difference. By joining hands, sharing our content, and uplifting one another, we can create a positive ripple effect around the world. Let's not allow distance or money to be a barrier. Let's build a community where every member grows, learns, and succeeds together. Together, we are stronger. Together, we can rise. If you want, I can also